Bitcoin is heading into what could be one of its most important weeks of the year, and the crypto world is watching closely. Following a sharp price surge over the past few days, Bitcoin is now trading near $108,000, and analysts are warning, or perhaps celebrating, that this may be just the beginning of something much bigger. After months of cautious optimism and sideways movement, Bitcoin's latest breakout has injected fresh momentum into the market. Experts are calling this a post-ETF rally phase, where institutional investors are now piling in after the U.S. approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year. As a result, both trading volume and on-chain activity have surged, showing strong signs of renewed demand and long-term holding behavior. But it's not just Bitcoin in the spotlight. Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and other major altcoins have also climbed significantly, riding the wave of broader market confidence. Many are calling it the first true altcoin season since 2021, and this time they say it's driven by fundamentals, not just hype. According to analysts at several leading firms, the upcoming week could be pivotal. New macroeconomic data, including inflation reports and interest rate updates from the U.S. Federal Reserve, are expected to drop in the days ahead. These reports will be watched closely by crypto traders, as any hint of easing monetary policy could further fuel demand for digital assets. On top of that, there's growing buzz around upcoming Bitcoin supply dynamics. With much of the circulating supply being absorbed by ETFs, exchanges are seeing reduced reserves, a classic signal that investors are moving their assets off-platform into cold storage. Historically, that's been a precursor to bull runs. Some market watchers are even predicting that Bitcoin could test the $120,000 level as early as next month, depending on how the next wave of data and sentiment plays out. Still, not everyone is convinced. Some analysts warn that the market may be overextended and that volatility remains a serious concern, especially with geopolitical tensions and regulatory uncertainty still looming in the background. Even so, the tone in the crypto space has shifted. What once felt like cautious hope now feels more like calculated anticipation. Investors, builders, and institutions alike are positioning for what could be a very big summer for digital assets. As Bitcoin braces for this potentially huge week, one thing is clear: the market isn't just waking up. It may be gearing up for a major breakout. We'll be watching closely and bringing you updates as this story develops. Stay tuned, because in crypto, everything can change in a week.